Product owners on Clickbank are making hundreds of millions of dollars per year total, and that's amazing. Do you want to learn how to create your own product without actually creating your own product? I'm going to talk about the 4 ways in this video. As a digital product owner, you can sell your product automatically to people all over the world without having salespeople, without having inventory, without having a storefront of a physical location. It's an amazing opportunity, but a lot of people are held back because they maybe don't have the desire to create an ebook or video tutorials, or maybe they just feel like they don't have the ability to do that. They're not knowledgeable in a topic, even though I believe everyone has knowledge in some topic. But let's say you're interested in having your own product and selling it on the internet, but you don't want to create the actual content. You don't want to create the videos. You don't want to create maybe the ebook of the content of your product. So how do you do that? Well, here are 4 ways to have your own product without creating the actual content. The first way is called PLR, private label rights. A PLR product is something that you can actually buy from people, and that gives you the license to be able to sell it as your own product. You can maybe change the branding, you have some ability to add maybe bonuses, you can put it a little bit into your own words if you want, or you can just straight up take the private label rights product and then sell it as your own. So that's the first way to do it. You can find private label rights products on the internet by Googling it, and that's one way to get started. The second way is by outsourcing. And outsourcing basically means you can find someone else to create the product for you. Maybe there's an expert out there that is well situated to write an ebook on vegetables and how healthy they can be and which vegetables to avoid, which ones to consume, so that way you live your longest, healthiest life. And maybe you like that topic, but you just don't know a lot about it. You can actually find a nutritionist on an outsourcing website like Freelancer or on Upwork. So Upwork is another site that we use for outsourcing. If you type in Upwork or Freelancer, you're going to be able to find tons and tons of people who are interested in creating content for you. You can hire them, but some rules of advice: make sure that they have good reviews already. Make sure you kind of prep them a little bit and test them to make sure that they're responsive before you hire them. All right, and the third way to do creating products without creating the actual content is by partnering with someone. You can find people who are maybe in your community. Maybe it's a tennis coach at your tennis club, or maybe it is an art teacher at your school that your kid goes to. You can actually partner with them to create a product together and partner maybe 50-50. You do the marketing, you create the product sales page, you can do all that stuff with maybe the Clickbank builder or other software tools, and then they supply you with the content. You have the marketing knowledge, you put everything together. 50-50 is more than fair for you to be able to turn their content into an actual selling product. And a pro tip for when you are partnering with someone: it helps if they already have a following. Maybe it's a physical following, like a class of kids that already go to the art class, or maybe it's a digital following, like a lot of Instagram followers who follow that yoga instructor. Partnering with them is going to be easier to get off the ground because you already have traffic, you already have people that you can market to and start making sales once you launch. So I recommend that. Now, the fourth way to make this product a reality without creating it is actually acting as kind of like a consultant. Okay, you can approach people and say you'll create marketing funnels for them for maybe a few $1,000, $5,000, even $10,000. I have some friends doing that, and they are selling a package. They're selling the idea that you can take your knowledge and we'll package it together in this marketing flow, and you pay us for this service. And you can take a smaller retainer when you position it like that, maybe 10-20%. So those are the 4 ways of creating a product without actually creating the content. Okay, let us know what you think in the comments below. Which one appeals to you the most? I've done all of them and they all work, but you want to really focus on what kind of gets you excited, because some people create PLR products but they're not passionate about it, and that doesn't lead to as much success as people that maybe partner up with their friend or family member. So think about that. Leave a comment below, give us a like if you want to see future videos, and we'll talk to you in the next one. Subscribe, and I'll see you later.